Welcome to ESOLish, English for Work and Life. Today, we are talking about weddings. A wedding is a special day. Two people get married. The bride wears a dress. The groom wears a suit. People have weddings in many places. A church, a masjid, a hall, or a garden. Family and friends come to the wedding. They wear nice clothes. They bring gifts. People eat food. They dance and take photos. It's a happy day. Different countries have different weddings. Indian, Chinese, Pakistani, English. Many styles, many traditions. Have you been to a wedding? Was it big or small? What food did you eat? Write your answers in the comments.